Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 16. Its title is A Delightful Day. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Read and Think, we are going to learn about table of contents. Before this, in your English for grade 1, I have taught you about title of a book. Remember? I hope you remember this concept. What is a title of book? So, if you don't remember, you may watch this video lecture again because with this concept, we are going to learn further about it to identify title and table of contents of a book. Use textual aids such as table of contents to locate a particular text or lesson. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Qamar, verse 52, and everything they did is in written records. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us, beta, whatever we do, it is written, it is recorded, and it is recorded in a book. That's why, beta, whatever we do, whatever we say, we should be very careful that it is being written, right? So we should use good words, we should behave nicely, we should speak nicely, we should think nicely, we should do the things nicely because everything is written. And better the positive side of this is whenever we do good, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless us with its reward, right? Now, my dear children, better everything is written. So, the way we write different things in this word, okay? So, what is the title of a book and what is a table of content? Whatever you know about it, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer that title of a book the way I taught you. This is the title of the book, right? So, beta, the way when a baby is born, a name is given to that baby, right? All of you have your own names. Likewise, when a book is written, a name is given to that book, and that is called title of the book. And it is the very first page, the outer side, and why do we mention it? So that by looking at the title, you can understand what this book is all about. The title tells us about the book. Now look at this, The Lion and the Mouse. So it is telling us it is a story about a lion and a mouse, right? So this is what a title of a book is. The next example is Dua for Kids. So look at this title. It means it is a book which is having duas for kids, right? Okay. This is another, How Do Dinosaurs Say Good Night, right? So, beta, this is how, by looking at the picture, by reading the title, you find out what the book is all about, and the title of book tells you about the book. What is Jannah? So, this book will, inshallah, is a descriptive book about Jannah, and there is an alligator under my bed, you see. So, the picture and the word, this is the title of the book, which is telling us about the book, all right. And child education in Islam. So, this is also an Islamic book which tells us about the education system for children, right, beta? This is how the title of the book tells us about the book. And what is the title of book? How does it help us to understand the book? This we have already learned. Now the next thing which we are going to learn is table of contents. So what happens in mostly books, at the beginning a list of content is given. So whatever is in this book, it is mentioned in a form of a list. That is known as table of content. So how does it help us? Now this is the content list of your book. The first column is about unit number, then unit name, then its themes, then listening and speaking skills, reading and thinking skills, writing skills, pronunciation skill and grammar, and then page number. You see, now these are the titles. So everything, whatever you want to search in this book, this table of content will help you to reach to that specific lesson or text. How? Look at this. Now I want to know what is in unit number 4. I will go to 4, and what is the name of this unit? The running machine. Yes, I want to read about running machine. So what is the page number? That's here, page number 28. So if I want to read this unit, I will open the book on page number 28 and I will start reading. This is how this table of, instead of searching the running machine in the book and turning each and every page of book, I will just go to table of content. I will find out lesson number 4. Its name is running machine and it is on page number 28. I will open the book on page number 28 and I will start reading it. Right? Okay. Other way, it can help us in a way. I want to learn about action words. So I will find out in grammar portion where are action words. Action words are in unit number 3. And where is unit number 3? It is on page number 20. So I will open my book on page number 20 and within unit 3, I will find out grammar portion and I will read about action words. Do you understand? So beta, this is how table of contents help us. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, so let's practice it. It's a very interesting activity. What we are going to do, all of you, all the students will open table of contents in their books. Teacher will say a title and students will search it in the table of content. And teacher, to make it interesting in a fun way, game way learning, you may say the grammar title or the listening and speaking title or unit title and ask them to find out the page and things like that. So I hope everyone gonna enjoy it. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now you can read the table of content of your book. Very good. So I'm giving you homework. In this homework, you are going to make a poster of water conservation in group. So this is a project. You are going to complete it. You will write 10 ways of saving water. In our text, we have read few ways. Rest you will find out and you will write them, draw pictures, and then share your work with group and display your poster in class. So this is your homework. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, here is a content list which is given to you and there are questions about it. You have to answer here. So what we have learned today, we learned to identify title and table of contents of a book and use textual aids such as table of content to locate a particular text or lesson. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.